Fire competition, he got first prize from Banda Chef. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now you introduce.
Hello friends, welcome to Channel Cuisine. Today I had participated in cooking without fire and I got the first prize. I made Mango Bruschetta and Summer cooler. The ingredients for making Mango Bruschetta are 1 lemon, salt, 2 tablespoon oil, coriander leaves for garnishing, mango, some slices of bread, vinegar, black pepper, lemon concentrate, oregano and chili flakes. First, take half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, half tablespoon lemon concentrate, 2 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 lemon. Mix it well. And now add 2 tablespoon oil. And now add mangoes. And mix well. You have to ensure that mangoes are fully coated with the syrup that we have made. Now add coriander leaves and mix it well. Now take a slice of bread, spread our mango mixture. Now we will decorate it with a mango. And garnish it with tutti frutti. Remember to add the syrup because the syrup gives it the perfect flavor. Our mango bruschetta is ready. For making summer cooler, the ingredients are soda, blue curaco, rose sharbat, lychee juice, mixed fruit juice, and pineapple crush. First, take 3 tablespoons mixed fruit juice, Add 1 tablespoon lychee juice and 1 tablespoon pineapple crush. And mix it well. Now transfer the juice to another glass. And add rose sharbat. Now add ice cube. Now in a glass take soda. Add blue curaco. And mix it well. Now carefully add the blue curaco. You have to pour the blue curaco by adding it on the spoon and then spreading it. Now decorate it with a lemon. Our summer cooler is ready. Now our summer cooler and mango bruschetta both are ready. If you like my recipe, then please like and share. And if you have not subscribed, then please do subscribe. Thank you.